In this video, I'm gonna show you how to deep clean a freezer. I just had a tenant move out and I need to deep clean this freezer. So just wanna show what it looks like. This is a little bit more dirty than I usually see, so I need to do some of a deep clean. Get this wiped out, sprayed out. So first step, I'm gonna get rid of this rack. Now I can. Got some spray. This spray is Fabuloso multi-purpose cleaner and it's pretty strong. I made a really potent dose in this, so it is really good at getting just substances and debris up. So I'm gonna go ahead and saturate this. Just got a regular scrub sponge. I don't know what this is. Could be a multitude of things. Okay, so I'm gonna just start with wiping. I got it all knocked loose, so now I'm gonna go ahead and just start wiping it up, put it in the trash. It feels kind of like a powdery substance. I don't know if somebody was baking or got some baking soda and knocked over, mixed with some water and like melted popsicles and all sorts of stuff. But it seems to be wiping up. Cleaning the freezer is kind of frustrating because it's so cold in here that anything you clean with starts to ice over. Like to clean in these rails right here. This is where stuff gets caught, especially little hairs. You see what I mean? You just get debris and junk stuck in there. So I like to make sure to wipe that clean for my next tenant. All right, that's looking much better. These marks you see, I suspect that somebody put something hot in there, like a hot pan, and it actually looks like it melted the plastic right here. So that's kind of frustrating to see this type of damage in a brand new appliance. But these things happen in the rental world. So I'm just gonna document the damage, clean it the best I can. I'm gonna do one more wipe through on this and then start to clean these freezer doors. Always make sure I wipe the top rim and the outer edge of the seam, get any debris and hair off. All right, and this freezer is looking pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and put the rack back in.